If you want a truly free voice changer for gaming,
online chatting,
or streaming, you're in the right place.
Today, I'll walk you step by step through the W-okada Voice Changer, which is completely free. Now let's dive in. First, click the W-okada Voice Changer download link in the description. It should take you to a page like this. Scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see these download files. If you're using a Mac, download the version labeled Mac. If you're using a Windows computer and have an NVIDIA GPU, download the version that says Win and CUDA. If you have a different GPU, download the Win and STD version. Since I have an NVIDIA GPU, I'll download the CUDA version. This file is quite large, so it may take some time to download. While you're waiting, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll keep sharing more AI voice tools, so stay tuned. Once the file has downloaded, extract it. Right-click the extracted folder, copy it, and create a new folder anywhere you want. I'm putting mine on the desktop. Open your new folder and paste the extracted folder into it. You can delete the zip folder after extraction. Then open the extracted folder, and you will see the executable file. Right-click on it to create a shortcut. You can place the shortcut wherever you want and rename it for easy access. Next, head back to the description and click the VB cable virtual audio link. Download and install the VB cable driver. Once downloaded, extract the file. Copy it and paste it into your W-okada Voice Changer folder. Open this folder, scroll down, find the VB cable setup x64 file, right-click it, and run it as an administrator to install the driver. Now, you can launch the shortcut we created earlier. The first startup will take a while since it needs to download a few components. Once the program opens, you'll see a screen like this. The first thing to do is set your input microphone. I've set mine to Realtek High Definition Audio as the input MIC. For output, select Cable Input. If you want to monitor your voice before it's sent out, select your headphones under Monday. If you don't want to hear your own voice, choose None. Under the N gate section, if you don't want a noise gate, set it to 120. If you do want one, adjust the setting to your preference. Make sure these two toggles are turned on. For chunk, the lower the value, the faster it generates, but the choppier it will sound, so adjust it based on your needs. Next, set your GPU. If you don't have a dedicated GPU, the default option should be selected. Then, set your in gain to 10 and match your out gain and mon gain to the same value to control the output volume. The most important slider is the pitch adjuster. If you want to sound more like a girl, slide it higher. You can fine-tune this to fit your voice model. If you want to switch voice models, just click on RVC model.
And I don't know what she normally sounds like, but I think this sounds pretty. This voice sounds like this.
To upload more models, click Edit and upload them. I'll also include a link to the RVC Models website in the description. If you find this voice changer a bit tricky to use, you can try HitPaw VoicePea. While it's not completely free, you can redeem points for some free voices, and it's incredibly easy to use. You can check out the guide video on my channel to learn how to set it up. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.